In this guide, you will learn how to buy and sell tokens on Dexscreener, a popular platform for tracking decentralized exchanges. So first, you just have to log into your account, go to the left side, and then you will see the following. And here are the examples of chains. For example, you tap this one right here. Once you tap this, it will take you directly to another page. And all you have to do is just simply click disconnect in order for you to connect your wallet. You can't proceed if you can't connect your wallet here. So the very first thing you should do is tap this one. And then you have your options if you want to connect to your Phantom and other wallets right here. For example, if you want to connect to Phantom, all you have to do is to log in and connect your Phantom here. Now, what you're going to do next is to choose a coin that you want to buy here. For example, this one. And then go to your Solana. For example, you want to set this to 0.1. And then go to your sleep page. You can set this to 8% if you want. And then after that, click buy. So confirm and your wallet will be prompted to authorize the transaction. You will see a notification below once transaction is complete. Same thing with selling here on your DEX screener. All you have to do to sell your token, follow the same process but reverse the token order in the from and to field. So enter the amount that you want to sell and then review the transaction details and confirm the trade. Approve the transaction in your wallet, and once the blockchain processes it, you will receive the new token in your wallet. So after the transaction is complete, you can track your trade and monitor the price changes of your token directly on your DEX screener. As easy as that. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.